Okay, so let's look at this. Let's get closer. There we go. There is a dragon right here. You're seeing more of a front view of his face. Then you have these two little dragons. Oops, my bad. My bad. One right here and one right here. It's a side profile. Very interesting necklace she has on. And it's like whatever yellow lighting is going on back wherever she is sitting is kind of putting a glow on her face, which will be really pretty. Really like this one. I think it's gorgeous. I don't know what I can tell you that nobody else has told you. You know, because Mandi Manzano is known for all of her lines. And I have to say that you have not only the stained glass looking lines, but now you have some circles too. I like that. I think that's pretty cool. Obviously this is like a brooch right here on her dress. Really pretty down here with all the blue. And I love the red and the blue together. And then this gold and orange really kind of set it off. I really hope this right here is going to define her nose, since there's no black line for her nose. So yeah, wow. This one was bagged on 3/17 of this year. And let me get this out of the way. Oh, I really like that one, and I know some people got it because they are big what do you call it, Game of Thrones fans. I didn't get it for that reason. I got it because I like dragons. Okay, how you get in this thing. Where, oh where? Ah, there it is. Alright, this is going to be a lot of noise for a minute. But I like it. Did take it out and have already checked all of the beads, and I like this. I am going to show a little trick that I know with the Xyron machine. One day, probably after I finish Stars in a Walk, so stay tuned for that. So they're not in order because Diamond Art Club is now doing their beads by weight. Their machines are now by weight. So they're not putting these in order, in numerical order anymore. But here are your dark blue, the red. This is almost like a burnt orange. Another blue and another red. 2 bags. 2 bags. 2 bags. So, is that like a brown? It looks brown. Yellow. Can we say scrambled egg yolk? Brown. What? I think that's 400. Yes, that's 400. And then brown and brown-ish. And then more blue, a yellow, more blue. Oh my, the 310 life. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish colors. That's a pretty kind of coral. And then orange and blue and peach. And there's that pretty ABO. You can see just the extra shine on it already. And that's a light orange. That's almost like a sea foam right there. Orange, tan, peach, brown-ish, orange, and another type of brown, another brown, and another brown, and Miss Coffee's favorite color, red. Favorite color. Okay. Now the fun part. I'm trying to put this back in there. Yes, I took these out. I did an unboxing and I stuffed it. And I just did not like it, and so I decided to redo it. Which is why you're seeing this one so late. Why it is so late for you to see, because like I said, I got this in April. Okay. Alright, there we go. You know what? I'm just not going to fight it. I'm just going to put it there. Oops. Need that. Okay. So, there are, in case you weren't counting when I was going through the colors, there are 36 colors. It is, get you all down here, it is extremely clear. Very, very clear. And of course it's sticky. There is a legend at the top. And also over here at the bottom. So, I don't know what else to tell you. It was, let's see, it was $54.95. I was still, again, I was very excited to get it. Don't know when I will ever get to it, because I have so many others, but I have it. I do have it. Okay. So in the little tubing it goes. And there you go. So that is Mama Knows. And I hope that maybe I told you something you didn't know. Maybe you didn't know there were circles. Maybe you didn't know there were 3 dragons. But I hope that you saw something else. Oh, until the next unboxing. Bye, y'all.